At the time of this recording, this one TikTok shop made $7.2 million in revenue selling makeup. Another did $7.6 million selling women's clothing. Not to mention this other one, $10.7 million selling vacuum cleaners. Absolutely wild. Let's be honest for a second, these results aren't typical, especially if you're just starting out, but they are proof of what's possible when you've got a well-researched, low-risk, dialed in plan done with focus, consistency, and strategy. And that's exactly what this video is about: how to build your own 90-day business growth plan that takes the guesswork out of your next 3 months, whether you're selling on Shopify or TikTok Shop or both via the integration. By the end of this video, you'll have a step-by-step roadmap you can follow for the next 90 days, what to focus on first, when to scale, and how to optimize if you're just starting out, not unlike the examples that I showed you at the beginning. And by the way, this video is brought to you by Doba, the #1 platform for dropshipping businesses that are just starting out. If you'd like to learn more, I've left a link in the description. Okay, so let's talk about phase 1 of our plan, which is building your foundation. This is the first 30 days. Like anything that you're building, you need to have core foundation well in place before moving forward. This is where you set up everything that's going to allow your business to grow later on, like building the engine before you hit the gas pedal. This phase, you're focusing on 3 things. Number 1 is product and niche clarity. So you're not jumping between categories. You're choosing one niche and 2 to 3 winning products with consistent demand. You want to try and keep things as lean as possible. Use data tools, like for example, Doba's AI tools. Here you can see straight away a number of top ranking products that you can select, taking away hours, potentially days or weeks of product research. All these different areas here: most popular, hot picks, top seller, all these product opportunities that you can select straight away. This is based on real insight, real data, customer behavior. That is where a lot of beginner shops fail. If we go onto the Doba homepage, if we go onto the AI hub here, you've also got these different AI tools that will help you along that initial planning process. You've got this AI store builder here, which is going to help you launch your AI-driven dropshipping store. This AI auto lister that helps keep your dropshipping shelf always stocked with products and updates when products stock is running out. You've got a product finder. I've done deep dives into these tools here, but if you'd like me to do another deep dive in future, I'm more than happy to revisit. You've got an AI listing optimizer and all these different features that you can use. Now, number 2 is to have your systems set up and running. You want to get your Shopify store and TikTok shop fully optimized, have your clear branding, mobile first layout, proper policies, and a working email capture form as well, something that I have covered on one of my other videos, which I will also link in the description. Audience alignment is our 3rd key point we need to really dial in within this initial phase. What do I mean by this? Know exactly who you're speaking to, what problems your products solve, and what content resonates with them on TikTok or on Shopify. So this ties into that whole niche research, your identity, your brand, knowing exactly who you are going to be talking to before you even got your first product on shelf. It's just clarity and readiness. And one of the worst things you can do is chase customers first, and by the time your customers come to you, you are not ready and you deliver a terrible service. Customers are out there, they are available, they are there, but you need to be ready day 31 to day 60. Now that your foundation is in place, let's move on to the more fun part, which is growth. And to continue with the rest of the video, click here. You can find a link to the full tutorial by heading to the description below. You'll also find links to my favorite AI tools. Head over to my website, vlcmediabiz.com, where you'll find a bunch of free AI courses for serious business inquiries. You can drop me an email. Also, drop a comment if you found this video helpful, like and subscribe. Thank you so much.